Hello everyone, welcome to TechieFly. Hope you all are doing great. Thank you so much for choosing this video to learn. And in this video, we're gonna learn how to draw this glass object. So before we're gonna start this video, there is one red color subscribe button. Make sure you all subscribe to this channel and click on the bell icon for all kind of notification. So without any further delay, let's get started. Before we start to draw any kind of object, first observe that object shape. While observing the object, you will automatically know what are the shapes they were used to draw this specific object. You will get confusion while seeing the object in a 2D wireframe, so that we can select this as sketchy mode. Then observe it clearly. So it consists of one big circle and then smaller circle at the end, and one arc that attached to that big circle. Then two lines joined both upper and lower circles. This is skeletal or sketch of this glass object. Now we'll draw this object. Setting the view cube is a must and should. You wanna see your object in a perfect angle or shape, then you have to fix the view cube in a perfect face. I fixed this view cube as right face. Now we all are good to draw. So first take line command L and then length is 10 mm. Fix the screen. Make sure your object can be visible while you are drawing. Otherwise you will find some difficulties and measurements went wrong. For better understanding, deleted previous line and again take line command with 10 mm for right 2 mm of length. Take arc command A and select 3-point arc. From line to arc first point distance will be near to 4. For second point, the length will be near to 3.5 and angle nearly 120 degrees. The third point will be middle of this line. Once click on the arc, then drag this arc as shown in the screen. If the arc point is touch the line, then leave it. Now apply offset for line with 0.2 distance. Select line and drag towards right and then leave it. For arc, give 0.1 distance. Now take line command and close these lines and select trim command, press enter for 2 times, trim remaining parts. Select tan radius circle, give radius as 3. For down also select tan radius with 0.8 radius and click enter. Select trim command to trim unnecessary parts. Select fillet command to give arc shape at bottom of the glass object. Give 0.2 radius, then enter. Now we got half part of this glass object. Except line, combine all individual parts into a single object. For that, type in command box pedit, select arc, then enter and select remaining pieces except the line. See individual pieces converted into a single object. Now change the view bar as southeast isometric for making it as a realistic glass object. Select revolve command. Select which object you will gonna revolve, then enter and select the path for revolving. Give 360 degrees for complete object. Observe the object. There you can see extra lines. For those lines, move the object first, then delete extra lines. If you need one more glass for company, you just simply copy it. For seeing this object much more realistic, apply materials property. In that you have loads of material designs, you just simply select and paste it on your object. So yeah, that's it. Your glasses are ready to drink. Just kidding. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end. So practice it and share pictures of your drawing in Instagram. I will give link in description box down below. So if you like this video along with my explanation, please like, share, give feedback in comment section. Also subscribe to this channel. I will see you all in my next one more interesting 3D object.